Hey, Map here, Map Investments. So, looking at the futures right now, King Dollar up zero point zero 0.07 to 93.86. Foreign currencies mixed with the yen and the real. Well, the real is unchanged. All of them are down except the yen for with a little gain. Bitcoin down 260, 58,800 in the futures market. Oil got clobbered today and it's down 165 to 81 bucks. S&P up 8. Gold right at 1,800 more or less. Hog 72 cents, pretty much on the lower end, with feeders and live cattle at pretty much highs. So meat prices are still going to be high. Pixie's barking. Sorry about that. My dog's barking. Small caps up 6. I think they were clobbered today in the regular session. They took a beating, if I'm not mistaken. Ford had good news after hours. Let me see what the small caps did. Index. What am I looking at here? US? No. Why is it the indexes? Sorry. Oh, I guess it's here. Yeah, here it is. The Russell got whacked. I mean whacked. 2% almost. So they were up 6 now in the after hours, open at 6 p.m. NASDAQ up 32. Dow Jones up 56. Natural gas back over 6. Natural gas has been crazy, down 13 cents to 6.06. And natural gas will probably make new highs, and it'll be if there's a tough winter up north, people's energy bills will be pretty nasty. Yeah, we could easily see a lot higher natural gas prices. Platinum and palladium, I always say that wrong. Palladium and platinum, pretty much trending, consolidating, if you want to say that. There's really not a lot of ways to play them. SBSW is a miner that I like, one of the biggest ones in those precious metals. Or you could buy platinum, physical platinum. They do have some ETFs. They're pretty thinly traded. I just stick to silver and gold. And occasionally I do buy a little bit of platinum here and there. Silver over 24. VIX down a quarter, 19. Grains down a smidge. Bonds, 30-year down. 10-year down means rates are higher. On the trade front, order front, I think they changed this up. They changed this up a little bit. The style here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. About 20 fills on my breaks today. Just mainly closing profitable trades. Didn't really put any new trades on. I'll look at the charts now. I just don't like the levels we're at. We rolled over on the Dow Jones and S&P. Everything was some all caps. Everything was pretty ugly in my opinion. I just don't see it. Maybe I'm too pessimistic. The Federal Reserve has cut the GDP. We could do the research on that. But I really didn't open much. I just closed stuff out. Really, there's really nothing I put on. No, absolutely nothing. I'm doing actually more stuff with crypto than the actual market. Sad but true. So where was I gonna go? So let's look at earnings. So IRNT is blasting off after hours. I do have a position in there, and it is doing pretty good for me. Today I was down in this account. Let's see, IRNT. Here he is. So I'm up on RNT about 367 right now. And that was, I don't know what they closed on the regular station. It's down a little bit from regular hours. So that's trending. I do have a position on Ford. They're doing good. Now, Voyager, I don't think Voyager has any options. VY. Let's take a look and see if they have any options. Voyager, I'll show you what Voyager is. We'll go over here. VY. Did I say VY? G. R. That's not even, maybe I just spelled it out. How about that? Here it is. So they don't have options, okay? And we're looking at a market cap of about $1.5 billion. Mind you, I tried to open, they do crypto trading. 1.4 billion might be too cheap. And the chart is not actually too bad in this. I've been watching it for a while. The low was, why is it doing this? Let's do this. Make it easier on our eyes. Let's just go out a year. Okay. Oh no, I don't want a day. I want a month. Make it pretty easy. Yeah, that's easier to look at. So the high was 30 and the low was 73 cents. Oh my God. Wow. And right now we're at 10.30. 1.4 million market cap. And this is Voyager right here. These are the guys. They put me on. I wanted to see if I can maybe get on them to see if that's why opportunities, because all these sites crash. So El Salvador buys the dip and he adds 420 Bitcoin to Treasury. Wow. Interesting. So yeah, this is, oh wow, Shiba's over 8. Oh my gosh. And we're starting to see some green arrows here. Yeah, so the 1 hour change, a lot of them are going up here. So this is Voyager. They're trending after hours. Interesting. Hopefully I get approved and I can put a little bit of funds there and see how it is. Lending Club, boy, oh boy, oh boy. $40 stock. Now Lending Club, I remember Lending Club being like $1. I want to say this thing was at $1. No, $5. Look at that, bro. $5. Yep, $5. Good for Lending Club. I don't know. Are they lending crypto? Incredible. Cardano is down. Wow. My boy Cardano. I don't know why I don't like Cardano, man. This stock doesn't move. This coin doesn't move. Maybe it's a time to buy. It's down 10%. Let's take a look at that. I day traded this one. Made about $50. Whatever. So like a little pump and dump. So, let's go look at earnings. Earning calendar. A lot of earnings. I wish I could sort them by gainers. Masco, Masco is in the home, I think, like faucets and bathrooms and stuff like that. Camtech, pretty flat, $40. I think they do like stuff for capacitors and stuff like that for computers. Boeing down. Ford had a nice after hours. General Motors crushed. Coca-Cola, nice day. Tulio crushed. Teladoc crushed. Spotify, nice day. McDonald's, nice day. eBay crushed. Bristol Myers crushed. iRobot down. Now crushed. Upwork crushed. Landing Club, sorry. Xilinx up nice. Chip maker. Suncor Energy up nicely. Align, they do your teeth, up 10%. United Microelectronics, they do semiconductors. They've been about $10. Thermo Fisher, pretty solid, up 5. General Dynamics up 1. Six Flags down 3. Harley Davidson, it's been pretty range bound, up almost 4%. Edwards Scissorhands down 5. Just a lot of earnings. United Rentals, Behemoth, 352. Wow. Ultra Clean, another semiconductor, 45. Garmin down 30. Oh, Garmin hit hard. ADP, 220. Just a lot of earnings. Clack, I think they do chips, up 11. O'Reilly down 7, 650. The O'Reilly. Look at that, $650 stock. I remember looking at O'Reilly like $100. Jeez. And now I understand why Buffett says just buy and hold. Chef's Warehouse up 4. I think they do like condiments and spices and stuff like that. Sleep Number. I bought a Sleep Number. It was a piece of crap. Didn't like it. I have a Tempur-Pedic. Wow, a lot of earnings, man. A lot of earnings. Look at all these earnings. I wish you could sort it by like percentage winners. It doesn't let you. They should do that. I should send them a request. Hey, add this feature to your website. It's a pretty cool website. I like it. Stock tweets. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that was the earnings. I don't want to keep rumbling on. It's been pretty long. I don't know what we have in the morning. You can always come here and look at here, but it doesn't tell you if it's in the morning. But just from looking on top of here, you got Amazon tomorrow, Shopify. There's 268. So there's still a lot of earnings to go. Just a lot of stuff going on. Hey, what was I going to chime in on? I was going to chime in on something here. Ford had a nice hour after hours. There was something else I was going to talk about. I can't remember. Oh, so yeah, they were talking about it. So I don't see it so rosy. Maybe I'm too negative, but it says here the picture won't be pretty for Q3 economic growth, but it should get better. But we've printed how many trillions of dollars, and it's not better. It's just crazy. They've revised down. So the GDP, I think, for this quarter was supposed to be 7%, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, it was supposed to be 7, and they're down to So it says here, firm sees growth coming in at 3.3 pace. Still, that would be down sharply from 6.7 increase in the second quarter. Yeah. Talk to people and they say, hey, man, it looks like we rolling over and going into recession. I don't know. You can't print your way to prosperity, in my opinion. But, unprecedented times, I guess. with the pandemic. Anyways, I not very long the market, pretty much flat. More into cryptos right now. Incredible, believe it or not. I mean, I just look at bar chart and I look at the stocks, and everything's overvalued. I guess I can just get more overvalued. Why not? Tesla is over $1 trillion. It just goes up every day. 1,037. Microsoft had a nice day today. BKKT, a speculative play that is doing business with MasterCard with crypto payments. But there wasn't really a lot of green. IronNet, Google had a nice day. Amazon. But you see a lot of red. Las Vegas Sands was up. Ocugen, I think they're waiting on a COVID approval. Coca-Cola, plug up a little bit. Alphabet up. Enphase, I did a video on them. If they got over 200, I did okay with Enphase. I made like 500, 600 on that trade. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to go through all the stocks, but you can see it's a lot of red. But like I said, we got 200 and something earnings tomorrow, and then Friday slows down. But next week is still the same thing. Next week will be 94 on Monday, 244 on Tuesday, 304 on Wednesday, 377 on Thursday. So we still got a ways to go. We got at least another 1,000 companies easy in the next week. So anyways, be safe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.